Welcome to the Stock Market Game, brought to you by the SIFMA Foundation. In the stock market game, you can diversify your portfolio with stocks, exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, bonds, and mutual funds. This beginner video will review how to research those asset classes online. Remember to check with your local rules for any diversification requirements in your state or area by first logging in at www.stockmarketgame.org. And hovering over Resources, Rules of the Game, and clicking View Local Rules. The first thing you'll want to review and keep on hand for reference is the Reading a Stock Quote sheet located in the Teacher Support Center. Teachers, you can access this via the Teacher Support Center. Students, ask your teachers for a copy. Other stock market game users, such as adults and post-secondary students, please reach out to your stock market game coordinator to obtain a copy. Then you'll want to brainstorm by yourself or with your team some companies that you may know. Come up with 5 to 10 companies. The easiest way to begin is to buy what you know. One company that you may brainstorm is Netflix. Let's start researching that company online. Yahoo Finance is a great researching tool. You can access this website by typing in finance.yahoo.com. Here's the main page of Yahoo Finance, but since we're searching for Netflix, we can just directly start typing in the company name, and we want to make sure that we click the correct ticker. So once you click on the correct ticker symbol, you'll be brought to find more information about the stock. Some key info on a stock quote is the previous close price. You can see that Netflix is actually down $8 today from the previous close price, or about almost 3% if you round up. You want to also look at the 52-week or year-long range. So where does the current price fall in this range? Next, you want to look at the PE ratio, or the price to earnings ratio. That's a company's closing price divided by its latest earnings per share. PE ratios are used to determine the relative value of a company's shares. Next, you'll want to look at the beta. So that measures volatility, which means a tendency to change rapidly and unpredictably in comparison to the overall stock market. The lower the number, the less volatile a stock is in comparison to the market. A number less than 1 means less volatile than the overall market, and a greater than 1 means more volatile than the overall stock market. You can also look at the chart for trends. So right now we're on the 5-day, we can change it to the month, the 6-month, and we want to look at where is the peaks, where are the lows, and is there upward potential for Netflix. Next, you want to find out news about the company. So if you scroll down, you can view videos about the news. If you click all, you'll also get press releases, research reports, and this is all very important when deciding to invest in a company. Other things you might want to think about is Netflix coming up with a new product, any movies or shows or new features to be announced, any seasons or holidays that may affect the stock price. You may even want to look up a company's quarterly earnings report that includes net income, earnings per share, etc. And you can use this report to gauge the financial health of a company. So you can simply do a Google search for this information if it's a public company. And click on Letters to Shareholders to read the report. Finally, you might want to look at the Sustainability tab. Sustainalytics ESG ratings measures how well companies proactively manage the environmental, social, and governance issues that are most material to their businesses. So we can see that Netflix rating is 41. So the ESG rating is on a scale of 1 to 100. So Netflix is almost somewhere in the middle. And you can find out more specific information about this ESG rating on this page. If your team is interested in sustainable investing, you can check out a list of 100 New Day sustainable stocks in your stock market game portfolio. You can locate this list by logging into your portfolio and hovering over Resources, New Day Sustainable Stocks. We have partnered with New Day, an investment management and tech company that researches and reports on environmental, social, and governance (ESG) themed investing. The 100 companies included in the list have been determined to be in alignment with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals and all have high ESG ratings. New Day works with the largest ESG data providers to identify best practices and standards for responsible investing. Now back to Yahoo Finance. You can search around to get a sense of what you'd like to invest in. If you hover over markets, you can select stocks gainers. So these are stocks that are on a rise. And you can filter the results. You can also select, now that we're in the market section, stock losers, top ETFs, and top mutual funds. Another great asset for stock research is the Newsfeed tab on the homepage of your trading portfolio. You can see it here. The portfolio is provided with a direct Reuters feed, which helps participants stay on top of current market news and provides investment ideas. Another springboard for your stock, bond, and mutual fund selections can be the top holdings page in your stock market game portfolio. Top Holdings is located under Portfolio, Top Holdings. This page lists the most widely held stocks among all stock market game teams, and it can be organized by more than stocks, mutual funds, and bonds. You can organize it by current value or shares, long, short, or both. You will also want to check out the outside links page that can be accessed via Resources, outside links. Check out Emma for municipal bond research. You can also check out the FINRA Bond Center for further research. And another great resource is Morningstar for mutual fund research. As always, make sure to log out of your portfolio when you are done trading. And thank you for watching our research video. Happy trading.